In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Microsoft Defender Antivirus offline virus scan. By the end, you'll have run a full Microsoft Defender offline scan that restarts your PC and checks for hard-to-remove malware before Windows loads. First, open Windows Security. On the screen, click the Start button, type Windows Security, and open the Windows Security app. You'll land on the Home or Status page showing your device's protection areas. Next, click Virus and Threat Protection. This opens the section where you manage antivirus scans and protection settings. You should see your current protection status and available scan options. Now click Scan Options. This brings up all the available scan types so you can choose the most appropriate one for this situation. From here, select Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. This option runs a deep scan outside of the normal Windows environment. It's designed to find and remove threats that can hide when Windows is running. When you select it, you'll see a brief description explaining that your PC will restart to complete the scan. That restart is expected for an offline scan. Once that's done, click Scan Now. On screen, Windows will prompt you that your device needs to restart to run the Microsoft Defender Antivirus offline scan. This is normal and it's required for the scan to begin. The offline environment loads before Windows, so the scanner can detect and remove stubborn threats more effectively. At this point, click Scan to confirm. You're authorizing the restart and the offline scan. If you see a confirmation dialog, just approve it. After you confirm, your PC will begin shutting down and restarting automatically. You don't need to do anything else here. Now wait for the PC to restart and scan automatically. After the restart, you'll see the Microsoft Defender offline interface instead of your usual desktop. The screen may be simple with a progress indicator. Let it run without interruption. The duration can vary depending on your system and how much data needs to be checked. During this time, keyboard and mouse input may be limited, and the display might go blank briefly. This is normal. If your device restarts more than once, that's also fine. The scan continues on its own and completes without extra clicks. When the scan finishes, your PC will restart back into Windows automatically. Any detected threats will be handled by Microsoft Defender according to the default protection actions. If nothing harmful is found, the system will boot normally. Either way, the offline scan has done its job at a lower level than a standard scan, which helps catch persistent or hidden malware. To recap what you saw on screen, you opened Windows Security, clicked Virus and Threat Protection, clicked Scan Options, selected Microsoft Defender Offline Scan, clicked Scan Now, clicked Scan to confirm, and then waited while the PC restarted and completed the scan automatically. Those are all the steps required to run the Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan from start to finish. Your Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan is now complete and working as intended. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.